Hi everyone, welcome to CodeGenX. This channel is meant for learning new skills in the tech and research world. Today, we are diving into an essential tool for researchers and students, that is Mendeley. If referencing in research papers feels overwhelming, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Mendeley to manage your references effortlessly and create citations like a pro. Let's get started. Mendeley is a free reference manager and academic social network that helps you to organize your research, collaborate with others, and create citations. It's a must-have tool for anyone who is writing research paper. First, download and install Mendeley from the official website mendeley.com. Create an account and login. Once installed, open Mendeley Desktop or Mendeley Reference Manager. Okay, and this is the Mendeley Desktop. I have already installed it. Okay, so this is connected with the Mendeley Cloud. So where you can add the research papers as PDF and organize it, and you can access it anywhere at any time. Okay, so for this you can have it as a desktop application, and also you can access it online by signing into mendeley.com. So if you see here, so here you can add new file from your computer. Okay, so add new file from your computer, and here you can add the file that you need. So I'm adding one file that is already I have downloaded it in my computer. Okay, so I'm uploading it to the Mendeley application. So this file will be uploaded in the Mendeley cloud also. Okay, you can sync with the Mendeley cloud. Okay, so if you are adding a file directly in the Mendeley cloud, by using this sync operation, you can sync it with your desktop application also. So here I have uploaded a file, and if you see here in the recent application, okay, so in the recently added section, this particular file is updated. Okay, so if you click this file, you can see all the information about that file. Okay, so since you have added the PDF, you can go through the PDF also. Okay, so you can read the PDF directly in the Mendeley application itself. Okay, this is one of the features of Mendeley. So where you can upload the necessary reference research papers, okay, reference papers directly to the Mendeley cloud, and you can access it and you can read it through the Mendeley application. Okay, so this is mainly meant for this particular feature is acting as a library. Okay, acting as a library where you can organize all your references. Okay, the other main feature, or you can say it is an exciting feature which makes your work easier, research paper writing work very much easier using this one. So if you see here, there is a section called tools. Okay, so it is having an option called install Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. So you can install Mendeley Cite as an extension to the Microsoft Word. Okay, and you can use it for references directly while writing the paper. So if you go here, install Mendeley Cite, okay, so it is going to the extension web page. Okay, so where you can download it free. Okay, so only thing is you need a Microsoft account, so with which you can download the extension. it is very easier to download the extension. While after downloading the extension, it will ask open it with the Microsoft Word. Okay, so then when you open the Word, I have already installed it. Okay, when you open the Word, in the references section, you can see that particular extension is added to the Microsoft Word. So remember, this particular, the current version of Mendeley Cite works only for Microsoft 2019, Microsoft Word 2019 and the updated versions. Okay, so it works perfectly for Microsoft 2021 or Microsoft 365. So you can add this extension. So if you add this extension, it will make your work very much easier. So I'm clicking this extension here. Okay, so at the first time it will ask you to log in to the Mendeley. Okay, you have to log in. So this particular Mendeley software is designed by Elsevier. Okay, so Elsevier, so this is a free software, so free application. So so these references I have added it in the Mendeley application. Okay, so in the Mendeley application, and it is showing it is listing out those application papers here. So for example, so in this paper, okay, I can go for the recently added paper. So I have already opened it. Okay, here this journal article. So I'm going to open it here. So I'm going to refer something. Okay, I'm going to refer something from this research paper. So for this time alone, I am just copying it, the content as such. But while writing the research paper, you should not copy the content from the research paper as such. Okay, this is not ethics. Okay, so I have written a paper content. Okay, I have referred a content from this research paper, and I'm going to add it in my paper. Okay, so I have to insert the citation. Okay, right? So there is an option called insert citation that is below this paper. So I'm adding it as a citation. Okay, so this citation, if you see here, this belongs to IEEE format. Okay, so while writing the IEEE papers, it will be very much useful. If you want to change the citation style, you can change it. Okay, so if you want to change it to the APA style, you can change it. Okay, so go select the APA style and update the citation styles. Okay, so this particular citation style is changed to the APA format. Okay, so for this time I'm just having it in the IEEE format. Okay, so and this is not an end. Okay, so we have cited a paper here. Okay, so now at the end, what usually we will do at the end of the research paper, we will be inserting, we'll have the list of references, right? So if you go here, so at the end of this tabs, you can see the 3 dots. Okay, keep your cursor in an empty space in the Microsoft Word and select these 3 dots, and if you see here, there is an option called insert bibliography. So when you choose insert bibliography, press continue, you can see here that particular references is added in the bibliography. Added in the, you can add it at the end of the paper, added in the IEEE format. Okay, first you have a author name, okay, then followed by the title of the paper, then followed by the journal name and the journal details, and then DOI. Okay, it follows the IEEE format. Okay, if you change the citation style here, if you change the citation style to American APA style, you can see that references style is also changed to the APA style. So based on the type of the paper, okay, so what the journal is preferring, either IEEE or APA style, so you can choose the particular style. It makes our work very much easier. So we no need to worry about the writing the references section in our research paper. Okay, this is the advantage of using the Mendeley. Okay, it makes our works very much easier. So install the word plugin from the Mendeley tools menu. So while writing your paper, click the references section. Okay, click the references section and go for choose the Mendeley site. Okay, then you can insert the citation and the references. Okay, so and that's all about it. So with Mendeley we can manage references and create citations in easier way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Codegenics for more tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy research.